Good morning all, we are coming to you live today, this morning from Norwood in London, in South London. Basically we've been called into this trader to work on this Vivaro van for him. He'd had the customer's vehicle in previously, done a regeneration on it. It was driving okay afterwards, but the light was still on. Our diagnostics showed that the pressure sensors failed, so that's being replaced. It's having an engine carbon clean as a matter of prevention, and we are now on the first stage of the DPF cleaning service. So you can see the smoke and soot coming out the back there. So this process takes about 2.5 hours in total, and costs from £250 upwards for a DPF clean if it's required. But the first thing that always must be done with a DPF is a full diagnostic to understand why it needs the clean. So if you need us, our telephone number is 01293 769495, or you can message us. Have a great day.